Hi friends, happy Friday. This is Mrs. Phenix just checking in. I hope everything's going well. You're at the end of your week. You made it through another week. I am so proud to hear that all of you are doing your work and keeping up with your work. That is so awesome. Parents, I love the fact that you guys are contacting me back, letting me know that everything's going well. I think that's awesome. So today I thought we'd have a little bit of fun. First of all, I'm going to tell you answer your challenge question. So remember, our challenge question was about how many cookies were sold, Girl Scout cookies were sold, like the most ever. So in 2014, the record of 18,000 cookies, it was like 18,037 was her record that she sold. That's a lot of boxes of cookies. I know for you Girl Scouts, you know that that's a lot. I know for people that buy boxes of cookies, that's a lot to sell. That's an amazing amount to sell. So that was the answer to that one, 18,000. I'm not going to have one today. I thought I'd have a little bit more fun with an experiment. So we're going to do our experiment, and then I'll have another one for you guys on Monday. So today we're going to be doing our volcano experiment. So in my bottles, I have dish soap, water, and vinegar, and that's what they called for. They also called for food coloring, but I didn't have any food coloring. So my soap in this one was green. My soap in this one actually, well, this was green and orange. My soap in this one was actually green, but when I poured the vinegar in, it turned blue. So we're going to see how this goes. I'm pretty excited about it. The last ingredient that I have to add in is baking soda. So when I add in my baking soda, that's when it's going to kind of create the volcano experiment. I have a bottle and a cup, and we're going to kind of do both of them and see which one works better. I've never ever done a cup like this, so we'll see how it goes. I didn't have any Play-Doh to kind of make my volcanoes. It's all at school. So I just have the bottles here, but it'll be kind of fun to see. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with my bottle. So I've got a tray to catch all of my extras, hopefully anyways. All right, let's see. It all went through. Oh man. So once my baking powder, my baking soda finally hit the vinegar, it kind of buffed up, and here it all comes. It's still going. No, you can't see it on this side. So it's still flowing out. We're going to see how long that'll flow. Hopefully my pan's big enough to catch it all. All right, now I'm going to take this one and slide it over. It's still coming out, but we're going to take it over here. Now let's see how the cup works. So this one worked pretty well. It was kind of hard because the baking powder got stuck in our little thing. So it was kind of hard, but once it finally all kind of fell through, it's obviously still fizzing, still going. So we're going to see how it works with the cup. So our cup's a little more open, right? So with our bottle, there's just like a tiny little spot where it all comes out. Okay, with our cup, it's a little bit more open. It's a little bit bigger. So we're going to see how that kind of affects it. We're going to see if that has a big change on it. Our bottle's really flowing over. Okay, ready? There's also no waning. It's going to hit the soap and it's going to go. Whoa! Okay, so our cup's reaction was a little bit quicker, but you'll notice that it's kind of stopped, right? Like it's not really flowing over too much more, but our bottle is still going quite a bit here. My pan's about to overflow. Okay, so the difference is the cup had a little bit wider opening, so maybe it was easier to get to kind of overflow. However, our bottle seems to be doing a little bit better. It's still overflowing a little bit more. Our cup's still flowing, but this one came pretty quick when we were doing it, right? Okay, just a fun experiment for you guys on a Friday. I know that when scientists do their experiments, you know, they do it and then they try it again. So next time, maybe I would add a little bit more baking powder at first, or maybe baking soda at first, or maybe I would do a taller cup and maybe put more of all my ingredients in. Who really knows? Maybe if you ask your parents, you guys can try it at home and see what works for you guys and let me know. Okay? I love doing science experiments. I'm hoping that I can continue to do them with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's a little bit kind of a fun thing to do for Friday. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I miss you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys later.